Hey class, how's it going? Hey, so in this video I wanted to talk to you about architectural lettering, and I want us to start practicing on this, right? And on this video I'll tell you about current and some past usages of some of the techniques that we'll be learning. We'll talk about the why, right? I mean, why we might want to draw in this way. We'll talk about how to do it, right? We'll have our exercise for this, and I'll share with you some additional references for the assignment. All right. So I encourage you to take notes and also have the following tools with you whenever you're ready to start the assignment. Okay, so for this exercise, you're going to need your course sketchbook. You are going to need your pencil set, a T-square, your triangle, a ruler, and just maybe so that we familiarize ourselves. So I'll backtrack a little bit. T-square, I'm going to be using this transparent one. You know, it's probably the smallest one that I have. Triangle, I have this little one that I'll be using. Whichever one you have, whether that's your 45, 90, 45 or 30, 60, 90, that is fine. You're gonna need a ruler. I'll be using this little scale, but you'll need something to measure a few lines that we'll be doing. You'll need eraser. Of course, we'll talk about those before. Have this mechanical one, not my favorite one, but it helps. But also have this other one right here, white one. And very important as well, you're going to need space, and that's one of the things that we'll talk about. What I mean in this and further exercises, what I mean the importance of having a proper working space as well as some adequate lighting to work on your assignments, all of which might be perhaps new or foreign to some of you. Okay, and like I mentioned, of course, your pencil set and your course sketchbook, right? Which again we're using an 8.5 by 11. Paste bounded like this, no spiral, and just plain paper like this. Actually, we have some examples of architectural lettering here. So, but we'll be doing something actually. We'll start even further back with our ABCs. Probably some of the first things that we learned at grade school. All right. Additionally, you will need on the course blackboard, you're going to need, and I'll be referencing this handout right here, architectural lettering handout. We'll be referencing this as well. Okay, so have all of that open and come back whenever you're ready to start the exercise. All right, I'll see you guys next.